Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then start the ESIM process. Make sure your iPhone XS is updated to the latest iOS. That prevents provisioning errors. You also need the carrier QR, activation code, or SMDP plus details. Keep them visible. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and ensure battery is above 20% so the phone won't interrupt activation. Once done, open Settings, tap Cellular, and choose Add Cellular Plan. This launches the camera for the QR and the fields for manual entry. You continue by entering carrier information and completing activation. If you scanned a QR, confirm the displayed plan and tap Add Cellular Plan. If manual, enter the SMDP plus address and activation code exactly as provided. Next, you'll label the plan, choose primary, secondary, or a custom name, then assign data and voice roles so your phone knows which line to use. Once the profile is installed, allow a brief provisioning wait, and then restart cellular or toggle airplane mode to prompt registration. You finish by verifying full service and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. After activation, make calls, send an SMS, and use mobile data to confirm voice and data routes. If the ESIM doesn't register, first toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, check Wi-Fi, and restart the phone. Then rescan the QR or re-enter SMDP plus info. If it still fails, contact the carrier with your ICSID and activation code. Keep old profiles until you confirm the new line works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.